Welcome to the video tutorial about how to create junctions in the ESurvey Civil Tools Interface. Once the data is imported, the first step is to create junctions. Click on the Junctions button and in Junctions window, enter Overshoot or Undershoot distance and then click Find button. With this operation, all the junctions are derived and ground level at each junction point is updated in the drawing. Information, easting, northing, elevation about junctions can also be exported to Excel. After creating junctions and once you decide road properties, click on the Section button. Then, click Yes option to create cross-section and L-section for all the alignments, road network lines in the drawings. Thank you for watching this video. In the next video, you will learn how to design formation levels in the ESurvey Civil Tools software.